automation section now. As I explained in the previous sessions about automation test generation modes using the KaneAI. So I'm going to explain all three automation generation modes. Okay. Let's start with prompt driven test. So this is the name that I have given because we are now giving the inputs to the AI system and then generating the test. Okay. So to begin with, so this is the flow that I have created. Let me explain. So in this particular prompt driven test, so the journey will start from the login authentication. Suppose if you are a corporate user, or if you are a partner, or if you are a generic user, and you have credentials, and you have registered with the LAMBDATEST platform, and those are all authenticated and logged into the LAMBDATEST of the platform, that you have to access it from the browser, which I will show you. And so once it is invoked, and you can see the first step is here, invoke KaneAI, that is AI interface. Okay, like any other assistance, you will have broader chart window to accept inputs from the end user. Okay, I've just given a pictorial representation over here so that you can better connect with me what I'm talking about here. Okay, so in this particular module, you are seeing the this orange color module where so the KaneAI system, that AI system will accept prompt. Okay, and while the KaneAI in this particular stage, uh, it will accept the prompts, as well as at the same time it will invoke the playground, so which gives the view of the actions that is happening in the application. Okay, so this is a sequential process, so that you can give prompt single step or prompt multiple steps at a time. You can give it. These are the two approaches that can be done from the prompt driven test. Okay, one by one, either hey, navigate to the application, enter the values, and complete the form submission. Like that you can give it. Okay, or else at a time all the steps in one go, you can give it. Okay, and then so once that entire process is completed, you will be allowed to navigate it to the select the folder in the test manager, and asking you to generate the save the test into the test manager. Okay, so once that is saved to the test manager, and you will be landing on the edit test tip screen. And further, if at all, if you want to add some more steps, or you wanted to alter something, you wanted to sequence, that can be possible using this edit test steps interface. The moment when you click on this edit test steps interface, it will invoke the web agent, and web agent in turn will invoke the playground, so that to see mm, the user actions that is happening as per the given test steps, or any new steps that you are going to add, that also you can see. Okay, I'll demo you this particular entire process, but to make you understand what is the flow that I'm coming in. So it starts from the authentication, and KaneAI interface will start, and then prompt it will take the prompts as the steps, and the build process will done. And while you are doing the building, and you will see the live preview as well. Okay, so once everything is completed, and you can save the test into the test manager. Once the test manager is saves the particular test, you will be allowed to land on edit test tips, where you can further modify. Do it allow again the web agent, and it will allow you to update the test, and same that can be seen those steps on the playground as well. Okay, so this is the process in the prompt driven test. Okay. What it facilitates, it is also facilitated hyper execute, version history is there, code generation is there. So whatever the project, suppose once the test is created, it generates the five components. One is user actions, second one is the visual path, and the third one is entire the PyTest the file. All these the components are generated, and then uh, allow end user to the take that script and they can incorporate into their test. Okay, so that is about the prompt driven test, where we are giving the test steps in a natural language format as a prompt to the AI system. AI system will generate the steps or actions or assertions or any wait statement, etc. That you can, whatever the traditional the scripting or no code low code actions that you are doing through user actions model, similar automatically that will be generating by the AI, the model, the based on the given clear test steps along with the inputs. Okay, so this is about prompt driven test flow. So in the next session, I will show you how to start the journey in the KaneAI interface. Okay, so thanks for watching this session. I'll catch you in the next session.